IKEA. Look at guys. We are at IKEA and you will see there is IKEA. They have all kind of nice things, really beautiful quality furniture and everything that you need. We are here to check out some amazing things inside. So when we get inside, we will show you. We'll see you shortly. Okay guys, we are inside IKEA. We're going on the escalator and we're going to check out what do they have inside. So here we go. It's a big place and they have all kind of stuff from furniture, kitchen items, and it's big, and they have awesome quality things inside of here. Look at. Okay, all right, here we go. Look at what they have. Really nice. Look at their kitchen. Look at their kitchen. It is fabulous. Look at that. It is nice. Look at, we're just looking at the different models just to get kind of an idea and just, you know, to see nice things, to get an idea of what, you know, you can maybe put in your house and things like that. Look at it. Is just beautiful. Look at this fancy one here. Very modern. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful or what? Just really nice modern kitchen ideas that you can maybe put in your house. I like this because this one has island. Look at the island. Look at that. It's beautiful. Look. See that? Look at that. Look how deep that is. Look at the cabinet. Okay, I'm going to tour you guys to some more different places, so hold on so you can see all the fancy things that they have in here. Look at the selections of the furniture. Look at that. All kind of different furniture. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Now, look at this kitchen right here. Let me show you how fancy it is. Very modern kitchen. Look at that. Very nice. Look at this. This is very nice deep sink. Just really nice. Very modern. Look at the stove. Refrigerator. I mean, just gorgeous. Just gorgeous kitchen. Look at that cabinet. Isn't that nice? I like the refrigerator. So much room. Look at that. Very nice. Very fancy. I really like the cabinet. Look at. Very deep. Isn't that nice? It is so nice. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Such beautiful. And when you open it, it slides right on through. Look at. It's gorgeous. Okay, let me look at the other one. Okay guys, this is another kitchen idea inside IKEA store. And look at the colors that they have. The green palettes, cabinets, and counters. The granite counters, it's pretty nice. This is kind of like more so country style sink, and like I said, the counters, I think the counter is nice. The green, I'm not sure about the green. I think the green is kind of bold, but hey, as they say, to each its own. Look at this other a smaller version kitchen area. This is for an area that is in a small house or studio. This here is nice. I'm assuming that is if you have a big open space in your house that is can use all these cabinets, all this storage. I like that. I like the open space counter, and where you can communicate and just, you know, interact with your guest family in the kitchen sink in that way. I think that's pretty nice. I like this color. I think the color is really nice. The very nice open concept counters, so much storage. Look at that, plenty of cabinets. The glass shelves where you can showcase all your dishes, dishware, or whatever that you want to put up in there. I think it's really nice. The lighting, look at the lighting, it's very nice. The cooking area is very nice and airy. You can put all your whatever that you want to put on that shelf things in there, and the metal holding things. It's nice. Here's another one. Here's another concept in the kitchen. White gray. I think it's okay, but everyone has their own flavor, their own taste. So this is an electric one. It's okay. And then this is another area where an extension, and they have an area for the washer and dryer, and plenty of space for your cabinets to put in whatever that you want to put in there. It's pretty nice. It's really nice. The quality of the cabinets, it's okay, but it's depending on what you like, and if this is your taste, I think it's okay. All right, I'll show you next one. Okay, there's the bedroom right here. Here's another bedroom right here. There it is. Really nice. It's too dark, but it's a nice decoration that they have going on. Look at the different selections of beddings and beds, different sizes that you can select from. All sorts of sizes, beddings, linens, and things like that. Look at all the mattresses. There's a lot to choose from. And look at it, says our lowest price. The prices are pretty reasonable. They have all sorts of selections from cabinets to the beddings to the different bedroom sets. It just gives you an idea how to decorate or what you want in your house. We are about to exit out of Ikea, but even as we exit, there's still a whole lot more. Look at this here. I mean, it is, I think this is 3 levels. And there's just so much. The good thing is it's not even crowded. It is many selections to see from. It is very nice. The prices are decent, so you can look at it here and see what you want, and they have things for the whole family. To school age kids, to teenager, to adults. Very nice. We're going down. I believe we are on the 2nd floor, but we're going down IKEA. And even going down, there's still a whole lot more space. Okay, go ahead. They got all the different lightings. Whatever your style and your taste, you can select If you see things in the store, if you don't like it, you can go online and pick the exact style that you want. Look at it. They got picture frame. They got home decor. They have mirror. They have clocks. They have pretty much everything you need to decorate your home, to make it homey for you and your family. Very nice. They even have a whole lot of fake plants. Like whatever fake plants you want, they have it. Look at all these fake plants. They look real, but they're fake. Look at all the fake plants. Look at that. They are all fake. Okay guys, we are exiting out of Ikea store, and I hope you enjoy our viewing and our vlogging, and we will talk to you guys. Okay guys, have a wonderful day. We're leaving, exiting of Ikea. Bye.